Kontext just went live in TensorArt's workspace on the night of June 6th, and get this, each use only costs 10 credits. That's insanely cheap. Next, I'll walk you through how to use Kontext on TensorArt. First, open Tensor, and go into the workspace. You'll immediately see a standalone context option here. Just click to enter Kontext's dedicated interface. Upload the image you want to edit, type in your prompt, and boom, you'll get a perfect modified image. Pro tip: turning on prompt upsampling makes your generated results even more accurate. And you can also use context on the images in your image generation history with just one click. Now that you know how powerful this model is and how to use it, how do you craft prompts for the best results? First, be detailed when describing elements you want to change. For example, if you want to replace text, specify both the original and target text clearly. If you want to generate stylized text in the same art style as the image, write something like, "Use the style from the image to create stylized text context in the same aesthetic." You'll get exactly what you want. But here's a catch: if you just write "dress the man in the picture like a Viking," the result might not relate to the original image at all. In that case, refine your prompt by adding, while preserving facial features, eye color, and expression, regenerate, and you'll see a huge improvement. What if you want to edit a specific part of the image? Simple, just draw a box around the area you want to change. Kontext will auto-detect it. Your prompts could be, add a cat in the red box and remove the boxes. Done, you'll get a seamless edited image. Got questions while using it? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to follow and like for more updates. Plenty of new tech news is coming your way.